Leadsleap, lifetime free membership. Just want to show you a review right here. Here's the free tracking. You can track everything like I have right here. I track everything to see where, where my leads are coming from. Right here, up. Let's see, right here. What's going on with that? This isn't wrong. Okay. Tells you where it comes from, where you're advertising, how many real, when the response. I like the tracking. I use it all the time. I used to have Click Magic and I canceled it because I like this one's better. It's easier. I like it. And right here we have the page builder right here. I have a lot of pages right here. Let me show you one of my pages. When it comes out, launch the editor. It opens it up. One of my pages. These are my two buttons. I press here. It goes to my free offer, and then here another page that goes to more traffic. And I have, if you can see, but my computer's going kind of slow. I don't know what's going on, but all my pages are in here. I have a lot of pages. And here's the list. When you keep the list, when you make a new list, you start here, add a new list. Right here, you put the list name, and then you add it. Here's where you keep your emails to send them out, and the autoresponder. You can write them yourself. You want to look at it and edit it right here. Open it up. Here it is. These are all the emails that get sent by the autoresponder. Here are the pop-ups. I don't have any pop-ups. I had, but I took them all. And here are the free ads. I only have 2 of them in there. You can put 3. And here where you surf. Right here. Press on those. And then you surf. Right here opens somebody's offer. You look at it for a little while. 5 seconds, and you go to the next one. You pick one here, and it does the same thing over again. Same scenario. And build page here. You can change everything you want. Right here is where all your followers are. All people have joined me for free. Here are the ads again. Here are my pay ads because I'm a pro member, so I can do 10 ads. Everybody's in the platform that does it for free. Sorry, I'm lost. Right here. I think I have 9 ads. Right here, look. I have all these views, these views, these views. But the good thing is to change these ads out probably every 2 weeks or something, every 3 weeks, because they always see the same ads, and sometimes they get used to them and they don't even click on them sometimes. But they do. Just gotta change them out, so be different. Here are the ads again for free ads over here. Mine, I have 9, and here are the free ones. You have to search for the credits so you can get your free ads shown. There's a lot of traffic in here. There's a lot of affiliate marketers. Everything's in here. If you have a good landing page or a good funnel, I keep my PDF. Wrong one. I'm in the wrong place. Where am I? That's an image. You did it again. Here they are. So I keep all my right in here, and I could just it stayed in here. I just copy this link and I put it anywhere I want. PDF manager, Pro Manglers. It's awesome. I love it. And here again, you read all this. Even I have a link in the description. You can just go there and check it out for yourself. It's free right here. And I'm telling you, it's awesome. I like it a lot. Here are the credits. They got the link tractor, the emails, the page builder, the pop-ups, the funnel builder. You can earn commissions, your referrals. Your links are all in here. You can promote. These are all the links right here. You can promote Leadsleap. And here there's emails right in here. It's already branded to you and everything. Right here, see the subject lines. Have them right here. These are like banners. Everything you need. You can make your pages, your emails, everything in one place. And if you want to become a pro, I think it's like I think it's in $26. I'm not sure. I gotta go check. But I've been with them for a long time. I really like it a lot. It's an awesome system. So thank you for watching. Until next time.